Hi everyone, welcome to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. The Corvette name has always been tied to American performance, but the Zora takes it to an entirely new level. Named after Zora Archistuntiv, the legendary engineer who pushed the Corvette into racing history, this car represents the ultimate expression of what a Corvette can be. It's not just the next step in the lineup, it's the car that blurs the line between American muscle and European hypercar engineering. The Zora has been teased for years, and in 2026, it finally becomes a reality. While the Corvette C8 introduced the mid-engine layout and changed the game, the Zora is the full evolution of that idea, taking the foundation of the C8 and pushing it into a territory never seen before in Chevrolet history. With a combination of raw combustion power and hybrid technology, the Zora delivers performance numbers that put it squarely in the company of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and even McLarens. At the heart of the 2026 Corvette Zora is a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, based on the flat-plane crank design found in the Z06. But here's where it gets wild. The Zora pairs this engine with a high-output hybrid system, delivering electric boost to maximize acceleration. Together, the system produces a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower and over 800 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you heard that right, the Zora is a 4-digit horsepower monster from Chevrolet. Power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced dual-clutch transmission, making it the first all-wheel drive Corvette ever offered. The result is astonishing. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, quarter mile in under 9 seconds, and a top speed pushing 220 miles per hour. This is not just a Corvette, it's a hypercar killer. But the Zora isn't only about brute force. Chevrolet has engineered this machine with precision handling and aerodynamics worthy of its power. The body has been sculpted with active aero components, including an adjustable rear wing, front splitter, and rear diffuser, all designed to maximize downforce at high speed while minimizing drag. The chassis is built from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, giving it rigidity without excess weight. Magnetic ride control, a staple in modern Corvettes, has been upgraded to its most advanced version yet, constantly adjusting damping for ultimate control. With its all-wheel drive grip and finely tuned suspension, the Zora is just as deadly in corners as it is in straight-line acceleration. Visually, the 2026 Corvette Zora is unmistakable. It's wider, lower, and far more aggressive than any Corvette before it. Massive intakes feed air to the twin-turbo V8 and cool the hybrid battery system. The proportions scream supercar, with sharp lines, a low stance, and aerodynamic sculpting that looks ready for Le Mans. Exclusive Zora badging and unique carbon fiber accents set it apart from the Z06 and E-Ray. Simply put, this Corvette looks every bit the part of a $1 million hypercar, except it doesn't cost nearly that much. Inside, the Zora blends performance focus with modern luxury. The cockpit is built for the driver, with a race-inspired steering wheel, deep bolstered sport seats, and a fully digital instrument cluster that provides everything from G-force readouts to hybrid energy flow data. The infotainment system features Chevy's latest software, with high-resolution displays and connectivity options like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A head-up display keeps critical performance info in your line of sight, while premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather remind you this is more than just a track toy, it's a world-class machine. What makes the Zora even more special is how it positions Chevrolet in the global performance market. For decades, Corvette has been called America's sports car, but now, with the Zora, it has moved into hypercar territory. It offers performance that rivals or surpasses $1 million exotics, but with a price that's expected to start around $200,000. That's not cheap, but compared to European hypercars, it's a bargain. The Zora makes world-class performance accessible to more enthusiasts while proving that American engineering can stand toe-to-toe with the best in the world. Of course, exclusivity is a big part of the Zora story. Chevrolet plans to produce it in limited numbers, ensuring it remains a rare and desirable piece of Corvette history. Collectors and performance enthusiasts alike will be lining up to secure one, knowing this car represents not only the pinnacle of the Corvette lineup but also a turning point in the evolution of the American performance car. The 2026 Corvette Zora is more than just a new model, it's a statement. A statement that Chevrolet can build a car capable of redefining expectations. A statement that American muscle can evolve into something that doesn't just compete with European hypercars but beats them at their own game. It's the ultimate blend of heritage, innovation, and sheer performance. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Corvette Zora, the most extreme Corvette ever built and a true game changer for American performance. If you're as thrilled as we are about this 1,000 horsepower beast, stay tuned for more reviews of the machines that keep the excitement of driving alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews and future performance legends.